this is something that I never covered, okay? Factoring trinomials of the type ax squared plus bx plus c. This is kind of tricky, so let's jump into this by solving a problem. Solve or factor 6n squared plus 23n plus 7. We have to use a FOIL method to solve this, okay? I'll explain what FOIL method is. So, look at the first term, okay? And you can write first term or the coefficient of first term, which is 6. 6 is, what is 6? 6 is a, right? So you have to write the coefficient of the first term, which is a, such that the two factors of a, or when you multiply the two factors of a, you will get a, okay? So it can be 1 and 6. Let's try 1 and 6. And also look at the last term, or look at the last term. In this case it's C. In this case it's 7. 7 is C, right? So write the last term such that the factors of last term are, let's say, 1 and 7. You have to find factors such that when you multiply 1 and 7, you have to get 7. Okay, when you multiply 1 and 7, you have to get 7. Now here's the trick. When you multiply these two outer factors, okay, and multiply and add that with the product of these two inner factors, you should get 23. So in this case, let's multiply 1 and 7. That's outer 1 times 7 plus 1 times 6. So the key here is that the sum of the product of the outer numbers and the inner numbers should be 23. If it's not, okay, if it's not, we have to keep guessing, the factors of A and the factors of C until you reach that condition, until you find numbers that satisfies the condition, okay? Numbers that satisfy the condition. And the condition is that the sum of the product of the outer numbers and inner numbers should be 23. So here in this case, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 6 is 6. So it's 13. 13 is not equal to 23, right? So we have to keep guessing. So it's not 1, 1, 6 and 1, 7. Now let us try 2, 3 and 7, 1. So let's multiply 2 with 1, 2 times 1, those are the outer numbers, plus 7 times 2. 7 times 2, that would be 7 times 3, that would be 23, right? 23. So we got 23. This number is equal to this, okay? So we found two pair of numbers, this and this, that satisfy the condition. And the condition is that, let's take a look at that one more time. The condition is that 2 times 1 plus 7 times 3 equals 23, meaning the sum of these, the product of these outer numbers and the product of these inner numbers, the numbers that are inside, right, numbers that are inside, is equal to this number. So the solution of this is, okay, let's write down the solution. These are the outer numbers. That would be 2 and 1. This goes to the outside. Okay, this goes to the to the far end. Okay, and these 7 and 3 goes here. 7 plus 7 plus 3, that goes here. Okay, those are the inner numbers. Okay, so 2n 3n, get it? That's the solution. So the solution is, okay, 2n plus 7 times 3n plus 1.